See that one? You know who that's from?
What?
That's from Jill. That's from Grandpa, Clayville, and Jill.
The video rating.
What is it? What is it? A swimming suit? A new one? Did you want a new swimming suit?
Yeah, wait there.
Really bad? Okay, go get the other one up there. That's also from Grandpa Clayville.
No more.
Well, you have one more. There's a big box there for you. Okay, who's this from? Who's this from, Hadley? It's from Grandpa Clayville.
Yeah. That'll be a lot.
That's what you want? What is it?
It's this.
What is that called?
Oh, no.
Is it a fishing pole?
Yeah.
Show it to me. Let me see it. Here, stand back. Step back. Step back and hold it up for me so I can see it, okay? Whoa. Hadley, look at the camera. Say, thanks, Grandpa.
Thanks, Papa.
And Jill.
I do.
Say, I love you guys.
Bye-bye.